name is Mrs. Sword, and today we're going to be learning about time. What do you guys know about time? Time. What do you know about time, Gus?
There's hours and minutes.
Hours and minutes. Oh, good. What do you know, honey?
And if the small hand, which is the add hand, is on a number, you would know it's a or like whatever number it's on.
Okay. Okay, whatever number the small hand is on. Gina, what do you know about time?
There's 60 minutes and an hour.
60 minutes and an hour. Good.
So you see that clock? It goes to a 5 minute. So it says 0, 5, 10. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's going like 5, 10, 15, 20. But it's really just hitting the little.
But this actually isn't a clock. This is a.
It's a timer.
It's a timer, yeah. But you're saying like each number is 5 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
each number.
So skip counting by 5 that we've already learned is pretty important, right?
Yeah.
Do we know how to skip count by 5?
Yeah.
Can we do it up to 60?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Ready?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60.
65, 70.
Okay. So are there 12 numbers on a clock?
Yes.
Because I just counted on 12 fingers. Isn't that cool? Lucy, what do you know about time?
There's 60 seconds in a minute.
60 seconds in a minute. Wow, you guys are good. What about you, Isabel?
Well, 5 times 12 equals 60, so then it's 12 and 12 numbers in a clock.
Correct. 5 times 12 equals 60. So that's how we get our skip counting by 5s, right? Nick,
There's 30 minutes and a half hour.
30 minutes and a half hour. Good. You guys are awesome. Looks like you learned a lot about time in 2nd grade.
And a quarter is 15 minutes.
A quarter is 15 minutes, correct. Because it's 1/4 of the clock, right? Or 1/4 of an hour. Okay, good job. You guys are awesome. So this lesson is going to be pretty simple for you. We're going to be doing the minutes today. Okay, so we're going to be able to count minutes on a clock. We're not just going to the 5, 10, 15, 20. We're going to be doing minutes in an hour, okay? So what we're going to do first is, what kind of clock are we going to use that shows the minutes? What's it called? Can somebody help Lucy? Erica?
An analog clock.
Analog clock. What's the other type of clock that we use? Gus?
Digital.
Digital. What do we use more? Nick, what do you use more?
I used the digital.
Yeah. What do you use more?
I use the analog.
Analog. Good.
I use the analog too.
You do? Kind of hard. Do you guys all have analog clocks at home?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have the kind with the numbers or do you have the kind with the Roman numerals?
Roman numerals.
Do you know how to do those?
No.
No?
Yes.
Have you learned Roman numerals?
Yeah.
So you should be able to know 1, 2, 3, okay, right? And Roman numerals up to 12. Yeah.
And some watches, if you have some watches, like my grandpa watch, he doesn't have numbers or
Right.
Roman numerals.
Some clocks, you're right.
He just has these for the minutes he just has little lines.
Yeah.
And for the 1, 2, 3 he has big.
Right. So some clocks don't even have numbers or Roman numerals. And so that would really challenge you. But most of the clocks are going to either have numbers or Roman numerals. Gus?
My watch has the line.
Yours has the lines? Okay. And no numbers?
Yeah, no.
Awesome. Okay, we're going to work with the Judy clock today. I'm going to pass out some for you guys individually. But for right now, I want your eyes up here and pencils down, please. Okay, thank you. You guys are doing really good. Okay, so what do we notice about this clock? Roman numerals or Isabel? Thank you for raising your hand.
I forget what it's called, but they're just numbers.
Okay, they're just numbers. What else do we notice?
It's that the red one is the smaller and it's red, and then the blue one is the minutes and it's longer.
So it's easy for you to understand. What is the red one for? Anybody know? Honey?
To count out.
Yes. Blue?
like to count minutes, and it's 12. It's 12:25. If that's on.
12,
24.
25. Good. Okay, so when I have the red hand, and I have it anywhere in between 12 and 1, anywhere in between, is it still 12 o'clock?
Yeah.
Is it still 12 o'clock?
Yeah.
Is it still 12 o'clock?
Yes.
Is it still 12 o'clock?
No.
Yes.
What time is it?
Yes, it is.
Yes. It's
Oh,
1
okay.
o'clock.
Is it still 12 o'clock?
No.
No, what time is it now?
It's 1 o'clock. It's
And
1.
then what time is it?
It's 1.
Still 1 o'clock
Yeah.
until I get straight up.
And
2.
Now it's 2. Okay, so we know how the hour hand works, right? But now, and we know also, skip counting by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay, but now we're going to go into minutes. So from here to here is 5. So how many dashes am I going to have in between? Or dots? 4.
Yeah.
4. Who said 4?
Me.
Okay. Good. Because we have to divide it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when we get to the 1, that's our 5. Okay? Okay. So there's 4 dots in between. Okay. What if I go to here? Where am I at?
Oh, you're at.
How are you going to figure that out? Tell me how you're thinking in your mind. Nick, how are you thinking in your mind?
Looking at the clock.
Okay, but how did you say 16? Did you skip count at all?
No, I looked at the 15.
Okay, you looked at the 15,
But it's actually 17.
17, and you added 2, right? Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. We have to look at where it is on the clock, okay? So remember, what is this?
30.
The 6, 30 minutes, what's here?
45.
45, what's here?
15.
Okay, so those are good markers for you to count the minutes, okay? So you can go directly to 15 and say, okay, I gotta add 5, or 15, okay, 20, then I'm gonna add 2 more, okay? So when we do minutes, we're looking at what color of hand on this clock? Erica? Blue. Okay, we're looking at blue, and is it the short or long hand?
Long.
Long, okay. All right, remember 60 minutes in an hour like Gus told us. Okay, so I want you guys to get your Judy clocks and I'll pass them out for you.